Welcome back to another series of Order of Phoenix. Today we will be putting some light on one of our beloved Order member, Sirius Black. Sirius Black was born on 3rd November 1959 to English pureblood Fennetic witch Vulbugra Black and wizard Orion Black in an elite pureblood family of household Black. Although he was heir to the House of Blacks, Sirius disagreed with his family beliefs in blood purity and defied the tradition when he was sorted in the Gryffindor house instead of Slytherin at Hogwarts, which he attended from 1971 to 1978. As the rest of the family had been in Slytherin, he was the odd one out. Sirius's relationship with his relatives deteriorated. He gained a lifelong friendship with James Potter, Remus Lupin. He was also friends with Peter Pettigrew. The four friends, also known as the Marauders, joined the Order of Phoenix to fight against Lord Voldemort and his Death Eaters during the First Wizarding War. Sirius was also named as the godfather of Harry James Potter, the only son of James and Lily Potter. When Pettigrew betrayed the Potters, Sirius sought to take revenge on Pettigrew. However, Pettigrew was able to frame Sirius for this betrayal of the Potters, the murder of the 12 Muggles, and the staged murder of himself. Sirius was sentenced to Azkaban for the crime he had not even committed. He managed to escape Azkaban 12 years later and became the only person to do so unassisted. He did it by transforming into his animagus form of a massive black dog, often confused with a grim, an omen said to cause death. Sirius exposed Pettigrew's treachery to his old friend Remus and his godson Harry in the Shrieking Shack, and we all saw it in the course of the third film. After Lord Voldemort's return in 1995, Sirius rejoined the Order. The Black family strongly believed in pure blood elitism. They also held the dark arts in reverence. Sirius rejected these values, leading to a conflict with his family. He even put permanent sticking charms on a Gryffindor banner, as well as the picture of a muggle girl in bikinis and motorcycles. His favorite cousin, Andromeda, was disowned by the family as a blood traitor when she married Tonks. Greatly enjoyed life at Hogwarts. He was inseparable from his best friends, James, Remus, and Peter. Later, they had discovered that Remus was a werewolf. To support him, Sirius, James, and Peter secretly and illegally became an animagi. Sirius' form took the shape of a huge black dog, from which his nickname Padfoot was derived. He also created the Marauders map, which was used by Harry to escape the Hogwarts castle during the class visit to Hogsmeade Village. They were as mischievous as the Weasley twins. Sirius and James often went out of their way to bully Snape, though Sirius did admit years later that they were arrogant little bugs. In 1979, Sirius's father and younger brother died. Regulus's death was caused when he drank the drink of the despair while trying to destroy one of the Lord Voldemort's Horcruxes. After the death of the Potters, Sirius was suspected of treachery and was placed in solitary confinement at the mercy of the guards of Azkaban, the Dementors. Hagrid had used Sirius's bike to rescue Harry not only once but twice. After Sirius's escape in 1993, Harry was panic stricken and curious alongside other Order members and thought Black as an enemy who betrayed his own friends. Sirius's true face was revealed when Remus and Black transformed Pettigrew to his original form. But unfortunately, Remus transformed into a werewolf and Pettigrew escaped, and the rest was it. Sirius was saved from Dementor's kiss by Harry's Patronus, which was previously unknown, and also went into hiding. During the Second Wizarding War, he joined the Order once again and was allegedly used to lure Harry to get the prophecy by Lord Voldemort. He fought bravely during the Battle of the Department of Mysteries and was brutally killed with a killing curse by his own cousin Bellatrix Lestrange. She was heavily proud and boastful in having killed him. Sirius and Harry both compensated each other as a replacement for James. Blank's will designated Harry Potter all his worldly possessions. Number 12, Grimmauld Place, creature the house elf, the Black family fortune at Gringotts. With all this to say, he was a powerful and memorable wizard. May he rest in peace. With this, I take a leave of you all. Let's meet up very soon for another interesting plot. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.